My boss fired me from KFC for no reason, so to take my revenge, I will reveal you their secret recipe for fried chicken. Remember to save it so it doesn't disappear. Take a bowl, then pour in half a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of ginger paste, and a tablespoon of black pepper. Then mix to obtain your marinade. Put your chicken pieces in the bowl, then knead them to soak up the marinade. Leave to rest for at least 2 hours. Take a flat container and pour in 1.5 cups of wheat flour and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. For flavor, add salt, garlic powder, paprika powder, and turmeric. And don't forget to mix everything together. Take your marinated chicken and cover it all over with flour. Then dip it in a bowl of water, then in flour again. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. If you're tired of eating fast food every day, just comment. Food and I will send you our fast food secret recipes ebook right to your DMs, and follow us for more.